Good morning, peeps. Another beautiful sunny day in Torbay. Alright, I'm off to Dip Demons in Newton Abbot to finally pick up my new front splitter that he's now very kindly sprayed up for me in super quick time. Ready for Japfest. So, gonna go there, pick it up, and then I might do a little installation video, I think. So, I shall see you when I've got it. Right, splitter is picked up, amazing, so we can get that fitted now. And while I was there, the reason why I brought you along is because I wanted to show you his car, so I'll chuck a little short video in. It's an amazing RX-7, but it is so cool. Right, a couple of days has now passed. I did not get a chance to fit the splitter the day that I picked it up, so it is now the day before Japfest. I thought I'd do a separate video on this though, because we're doing a video today anyway of Japfest prep and stuff, but a lot of people buy Maxton design splitters, so I thought I'd just show you my way of installing it. First of all, I've got to take the bumper off, take the old splitter off, and then fit the new one. So I thought I'd just do a video because I thought it might be helpful for anyone else, because they are massively popular and very reasonably priced. I'll put a link down in the description actually to the product itself. They do the front splitters, they do the side skirts, they do the rear splitters, they do all sorts, and for hundreds and hundreds of different makes of cars, so very cool. There she is. Weather's a bit shit today, but I'll put a clip up now of it in the sunshine because it has got like a silver fleck running through it, which is why it has to go to the sprayers. So obviously have the green stripe put on it and the silver fleck put in it. But I'll put a clip up now of it in the sun because it is sparkling. See if I can get away with not jacking up the car. That's what I'm going to do. Here's the plan. I'll show you. If I can drive up here and overhang the car there, I'm hoping that will give me enough clearance on the front to not have to jack it up, so I can get to the clips and stuff underneath. So I'm going to drive up there and see how we get on. I think that worked pretty well actually. Let's have a look. I should show you. So yeah, I don't have to jack the car up because I reckon I've got enough clearance now to get the clips and that underneath undone without having to do so, which helps because the garage drive is on a slope and jacking a car up on a slope is not ideal. So we're going to get some trim tools and I'll try my best to show you how to get the front bumper off and then hopefully get the new one on ASAP. Right, so we need to get off that trim there, not all the way, on both sides, and then behind here, or there, is a screw on either side that holds the bumper on here, and then underneath we've just got to get all those clips off underneath, and hopefully should just lift off. Mine's got windscreen wiper, headlight washers that just shoot out, so I'll have to disconnect them as well. So let's try and get that off. Side, get them off. If you've got this model that there, the washer jets, literally unclip that and so we have cleaned underneath up. They're pretty straightforward to fit, to be fair, because you've got these grooves which kind of line up with those bits there. See what I mean? So you can't really go wrong, he says. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some like real strong sealant and put some of that on, stick it on, get it into position thereabouts, flip it over, make sure it's alright, let that go off a bit before I put the clips in, because I don't screw it, I don't bolt it either, I just use bumper clips. So, and my last one didn't even have sealant on, it was just bumper clips all the way along, and it had been on there for about a year and a half, no probs. So let's get some sticky stuff on there and see what it looks like. This is the stuff that I've got. Strong stuff, apparently, and it's immediately tacky, which is what we want, so we don't want it slipping and sliding all over the place. So I'm going to stick some of that on and then offer it up, see how we get on. It's just really difficult doing it with one hand. Obviously the only bit that's shown on the car is like this exterior lip up to about here-ish. So I'm going to put sticky stuff on there, here, 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 and the same on this side. And hopefully that will give me enough tack. Right, sticky stuff is on. Now I'm hoping that's going to be enough. So yeah, I'll put the tripod down, try to stick it on there. This is what I mean by you can't really go wrong when you're fitting it. Well, I don't know if I can say that, but I'll show you. Basically, where that line is, there's a line on the bumper anyway, there and there, so it kind of just follows that, and then you just even up that gap either side. So I've got a gap there and a gap there, and hopefully it's all good. Nope. What you got? Jules. That's Chris's daughter. So yeah, we're going to let that go off for a little bit. I haven't got the drill, unfortunately. Chris has got it in his car, and Chris is at the garage fixing his car. So I'm going to let that go off for a bit, wait for Chris to get back, and then we can drill it, screw it, flip it over, make sure it's alright, and then get it back on again. Yeah. I think we're good. I think we're golden. There we go, it's fitted. Just need to attach it properly. You don't need to take your bumper off to do this. The reason I am taking the bumper off because I've got some splitter rods that I want to try and fit as well, and you wouldn't be able to do that with the bumper on. So I'm undecided yet whether I'm going to fucking use them or not. So yeah, I'll show you actually. What I bought was those splitter rods, so I sprayed green. So I was hoping, I don't know what it looked like, whether a bit over the top. Well, they were going to go somewhere like this, maybe, or like that. Probably better like that actually. See what I mean? So yeah, undecided yet. We shall see. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Oh, it's bloody hot. It's not sunny, but it's fucking hot. So I've kind of dry fitted it on, just to see if I'm happy with it. Obviously that's going to go up with clips. Same with that side. Positioning wise, it's bob on, to be honest. Happy with that. So what I might do while the bumper's on the back on, like temporary, it's not like proper clipped in yet, let's measure up them splitter rods and have a look, see what they look like. So we shall do that and check back in. Yeah, done. I've also put on the splitter tie rods as well. What I did was, I did manage to get those bumper clips in, and screws, and sealant. I've put loads in there, and there, and there, and there. I've got a couple more to put in on the ends, but I'll do that once I've tucked in the wheel trims. So yeah, didn't need a drill. I just used the Dremel and made the hole bigger than I needed it to with a tiny little drill bit, just went around in circles. And then with those bumper clips you literally just push them in, and then the centre bit you push in and it clicks in. They're amazing. They're so much easier. They're a sod to get out, but I don't need no Chris Winston with no drill. I did it myself. So let's get the front bumper back on and see what it looks like. Now the reason why you don't put clips on the corner bits is this, because that bit, you can see this, slides underneath this rubber like that. we're done. It is fucking boiling. I'm sweating my ass off here and it's bright. It's so muggy. Anyways, done. I think it looks alright. No more crack corner. Yes! That's it. That's going to do this video because I'm shattered and I've still got an entire day's worth of stuff to do to prepare for Japfest tomorrow. I'm going to try and get this video out tonight if I can. Then there'll be another video up of preparation for Japfest, as well as a slight mishap that Chris has had this morning. And then I will film us going and being at Japfest, obviously. Thanks for watching, as always. Thank you to all the new subscribers. We've just hit 200 subscribers, which I know is fuck all, but to us, little old us, it means a lot, considering we've only been doing it regularly now for 2 weeks. So it means so much. Smash the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already. I shall see you on the next video.